Did you know there's a connection between the digital dollar and your retirement savings? Are you worried the Fed might move toward a US digital dollar and get more control of your IRA or 401k? The value of money has been shrinking, in part due to the Federal Reserve's inflationary actions. The fact is, Washington has been exploring a digital dollar currency system, which could give government greater digital access to and control over your money. As central banks and governments around the world are exploring central bank digital currencies, how could this affect retirement savers? Are you prepared? Click the link now and grab our exclusive report, The Downside of a Digital Dollar. This report helps investors understand the digital dollar risks of financial surveillance, market instability, and stringent regulations. Understanding potential impacts of digital currency can be daunting, but it's crucial for investors to anticipate the possible effects on their savings. Don't wait. Click the link to download this exclusive report, The Downside of a Digital Dollar, and stay ahead of the game. In this guide, we offer surprising, behind-the-scenes information about the digital dollar and our economy. Don't miss this opportunity to be included. Hall of Fame quarterback Joe Montana became a customer and our corporate ambassador after he got this same information. Please learn from his example and order your guide today.